Hop over the fence, cat. Let them know what's up. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, zoom in. Get the angles right, man. Get it in. Oh, look at it, look. Yo, what's going on, everybody, man? It's your boy Dad. Today I'm bringing out another reaction. I'm gonna say another episode. This ain't no series or nothing that's going on. Anywho, man, that video is called Hood Vines Compilation. I can't read it, so I'm gonna read it. 2021. Yeah, 2021. Try not to laugh. Vines of 2021. Look, if y'all new to the channel, y'all make sure y'all hit that like, y'all comment, subscribe, things of that nature, man. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like. I think I just said that. Look, man, I play football. I got CTE, I think. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro, because sometimes I can be in the middle of, like, talking to y'all, and I just forget stuff. Look, man, kids, CTE is real. That's all I'm gonna say. It's gonna direct to... Whoa, brother! Whoa, what is this? We on the wrong website. We definitely on the wrong website. Let's go and hop back.
Guys, you won't believe this.
Hi, what do you do for a living?
Is that Tupac?
I said I'm living.
What the hell?
Ay, qué rico, qué delicia. ¿Qué pasó?
Let me find out horses be eating ass too. Oh. Hey! Get it off the screen, man. You know what the next thing is.
Bueno, May, yo soy muy mal educado. Se me olvidó presentarlo. Se me olvidó. José Miguel.
Oh no.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Oh no. Boy, voice deep in yours.
Mujer, yo quiero que una mujer. Y es Raúl.
Yeah, hit her extra hard. One for me, please.
Yeah, hit her. Hit that thing. Make her get that arch right. Yeah. Man, back over. Look, man, look. Oh. Buddy died. Ain't no ifs, ands, buts about it. He did. He got CTE too.
Phone.
I know good and damn well I didn't see what I think I just seen. Wind that back. This girl done put a whole hot dog at the back of her throat. It went in her mouth. It was in her throat, just chilling. It's kids watching my videos. Let's go and keep going.
Phone. You want some, bruh? When I lose weight, it's over for you bitches. I'm telling you, when I lose weight, ooh, it's over for you bitches. When I lose weight, it's over for you bitches. But y'all can relax, because I'm not losing weight right now, okay?
It's a slow process. I understand. It's a slow process, but it's coming. It's slow. Boy, finna have a squirt off in that with that. I need that contraption. What you need two of them for, big dog? Something you want to say?
Say he killed 17 people for looking at him.
What he gonna do to y'all? He already locked up. Hey. Why would you try to hang on a clothesline? Now I'm thinking about it, when I was young, we used to have a
Negus. What is the language of origin?
Ethiopian to Amharic.
What is the definition?
A king. It's used as a title of the sovereign of Ethiopia. Negus.
Negus. Could you use it in a sentence?
The Negus ruled Ethiopia until the coup of 1974.
Hey, they roll for that. The Negus rule.
Negus.
Let me spell it for you, man. I'd rather be your N-I-G-G-A, so we can skip school and smoke weed all day. And then, baby, you need a thug in your life. Hey!
Negus.
I gotta play that.
One more time.
I gotta play that.
Negus.
Negus.
Oh. Oh. I didn't cut the video off. How did I bring that back up? I didn't mean to do that. Oh man, bring the video back up. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I apologize for my behavior.
Hit her extra hard. One for me, please.
I apologize for my behavior.
A king.
I'm not even gonna
used as
play
a
it now.
title of the sovereign of Ethiopia, Negus.
Negus. Could you use it in a sentence?
The Negus ruled Ethiopia until the coup of 1974.
Why are you saying like that?
Negus.
Andrew, would you say the word loudly for the judges?
Negus.
One more time.
Negus.
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 It's spelled how it sounds, Timothy. It's spelled how it sounds.
Negus. Negus. Negus.
He done learned the new word. That boy finna look. He finna start saying that at school. What's up, my niggas? No. It mean the king. You gifted him. I wish I would get $869,000. Man, if I ever got $869,000 for YouTube, do y'all know y'all will never not see me again? You would see me again, but I'll be in different countries.
Autopilot. No, you don't need to be an expert. No, it doesn't matter how old you are. No, you will not have to show your face on.
I'm buying her.
You're a student,
Look. I'm buying that briefcase. I don't want it. Let me get them socks and shoes off your feet. You don't need. I don't want them to do with them. I just need them. I need that plaque. Man. Oh man.
And I never even filmed a single video for them. And imagine making over $100,000 your first year doing that. So link to that will be in the description.
That sounds good, brother, but I ain't down for that. That sound like a
You put a
scam.
little bit. Yo, that's a lot of. That's a lot of ranch,
ranch.
pal. You gotta chill out.
That's a lot of slicing.
That's a bucket of fucking ranch, my guy. Yo.
Oh my God, he's covered in fucking ranch. Oh my goodness.
Hey, you can't park there! You can't park there!
I just text back.
They smashing in the porta potty? They better not run no train in no porta potty, I know that. Well, we know who was giving and who was receiving, cause why he walking like that?
Wait for it.
He came up to us and said, man, I got these cheeseburgers, man. Oh, they did run a train. Hey! Hey! Okay. Why you still walking like that, brother? She suck your soul out.
So let me get this straight. If you have one drink, that doesn't make you an alcoholic. If you make one song.
I already know where it's finna go. Yes, it does, brother. Yes, it does. I already know where it's finna go. I'm gonna let you finish, but yes.
On SoundCloud, that doesn't make you a rapper. But if I clap my boys juicy, scrumptious cheeks, that makes me gay? That's a double standard. Oh boy.
Oh God, that boy got turned on.
Oh, damn right. Oh,
My mom named Loretta Morgan. My sister named Sierra Morgan. My fucking oldest brother named Antoine Coleman.
son named Simeon Morgan.
That's me.
Hold on, Kai.
Estoy atrapado en un sueño muy
Man, don't do nobody like that, man. Y'all never know what nobody going through, man. Oh, he finna weed right in that casket.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Me almost snap what in there? Oh, come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Hey.
Mimic Nessie Amun's voice by
That was funny.
recreating his mouth and vocal cords with a 3D printer. It allowed them to produce a single sound.
Fuck me!
And go.
The hell? What the hell y'all be doing at lunchtime in the weird ass corner y'all be in?
Yo, keep going. Let's see how many you can.
5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gonna get it turned to
This
bleeding.
could be its own video. How many you can take from bed? Keep going.
That's 10.
11. He got a cup on. 12, 13, 14, 15. Bro, he gotta have a cup on, cause by 1 I'd have been passed out.
Oh shit. How the hell do you do this? 10 more. 10. 9. 7, 6, 5. Alright, 4 more.
Hell nah, he in arcade.
Accidentally clogged my boyfriend's toilet, so I took the poop out and put it in his cat's litter box. Then he asked if I pooped in it. I said no, but he said his cat has been dead for a week. Please pick me up.
Ooh.
Yeah. This is for anybody who needs to tell somebody to fuck off. Well, hi, go fuck yourself. Suck a bag of dicks. Eat a big old pile of shit. Wash it down with camel piss, you stupid bitch. Lick my tits, polish on my
Camel.
bits. Kiss my fanny, tell your granny she got shitty grandkids. Pull my fingers
Yeah.
on my butt. Sit and spin buttercup. Tell your mama and your daddy they can lick my fucking nuts. Cuddle with
Yeah.
Where is it? I don't know. This motherfucker not even speaking the right way. Okay, ready?
How you know? Damn.
I swear to God, I did it.
You know I'm not the one to start a war. At any time you can just run for the door. You say I'm not your responsibility, so why you calling every time you drink too fucking heavily? Yeah, steadily becoming my enemy. This energy, I swear there's no remedy. Tired of the bullshit, you already know this. Probably happy that I wrote this, cause you're the center of the focus. Yeah.
Man, that might finna play that weak ass song. It doesn't no nice though.
I'm not gonna give you all my time to mend the brakes, the bends. You're bigger than a happy.
Oh, I forgot I got the shower when I ain't put no lotion. I did put lotion on my hand.
At any time you can just run through the door. You say I'm not your responsibility.
My boy said 55K. Okay, he doing numbers. That ain't no gangster cat. You see how his back humped up like that? He's oh. Swing on him in. Swing on him in, cat. Yeah. You was a real gangster, you hop over that fencing.
Cat ain't backing down though. Little Mike Tyson cat.
Hop over the fence, cat. Let him know what's up. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, zoom in. Get the angles right, man. Get it in. Oh, look at it, look.
Be patient, because I have a serious question that I need answered. Just sit right there. Yay!
Man, bag that damn seat up, man. You got the damn 2 seat close on the steering wheel.
But what is that? How do you... Look, this is the airbag. If you were to go get in a car accident while you out there trying to get your Starbucks, but where are you going? You're going to die. Come on, dude. How do you even hit a full turn? Huh? You be in the car listening to your music. You don't even have space to dance. Like, what is this? Your head can hit the windshield. Jenny, how do you even put your seatbelt on? I can't reach for the seat. Ah! This is dangerous. You gotta stop.
We understand what you're saying, brother, but scoot that damn seat back, man. You making me claustrophobia.
We gonna get you a pillow.
Now, if you don't know where to start, where and how,
Man, look, we ain't trying to see this. Oh, that was in this video. Look, man, if y'all like this video, enjoyed it, anything in that nature, y'all make sure y'all leave a like, y'all comment, subscribe. With that being said, I'm gonna holler at y'all later.